We're recording? Now we're recording. You didn't even tell me. There was no action, there's no clap, there's no sync.
We'll watch it.
All right, folks. We're at the about to be new facility. I haven't been here yet, so we're gonna go check out what's going on. So let's go for a ride. Right this way.
Thank you.
Let's go, cameraman. Look at this. Oh, thank you. You're a gentleman and a scholar. Look at these new digs. Fancy. What's up, gentlemen? We heard that you were missing sarcasm, so we thought we'd bring some over. I haven't been here. I got some stuff to bring, so I thought I'd bring some stuff by.
Yeah. Making some sound panels, basically, sound deadening.
Echo!
Yeah. Hear them.
This place is going to be loud.
Especially-
Let's follow John, see what he's telling us what's going on. Don't trip on cords. Why'd you take me? I could have walked right across. This is treacherous. Handrail, safety support. I like it. Oh yeah, because unfortunately I'm the only one with a mic on. No, you can stay in there. Yeah, so thanks for not bringing did you ask Andy for his DJI? No. Did Scott tell you to? Yes. This is when the camera should be doing this, because yes, I did. John was just saying that they made these big sound panels to hang up here because there's a pretty good echo in here right now, so that's what they've been working on. They're looking fancy and snazzy and all color coordinated, and office side over there, production side over here. Sweet.
And in the back, there's going to be a big saw.
Ooh. Oh, yeah.
So it's be really loud, sort of in that section.
Well, that makes sense to at least have a wall there. Is that a door that's going to happen at some point, or just somebody got angry? Look at these pythons. You and Mike both. They're the python crew.
Wheel them up the ramp.
No, that's especially when we have the forklift and the ability to just.
Put them up here.
Nice. Is this all our storage then?
This is all, this will be production, so back there will be saw.
Oh, where the little baby one is right now?
Between the pillars, yeah. And then where the baby one is, that's going to be prototyping area.
Nice.
So where the line is, we might have more tapping stuff over here.
Cool.
And I'm not sure, there's going to be big racking over there for rails.
Space is huge.
Yeah. But we're going to use it all up.
Oh, for sure. Yeah. But the double footprint and the double height is not a bad thing. Like, that's crazy.
All right, well, so up here on the raised floor section behind the wall here is going to be office. Basically everyone at Sienci Labs who's doing the desk work kind of thing. Not the people making things happen, but doing the desk jobs. Up on this raised section, we're right now trying to make some sound control because it's, I don't know if you can pick that up, very echoey.
Yeah.
So we've been putting up sort of some panels, and then we're making some sound deadening boxes, basically.
Yep.
Trying to control the echo.
Potential conference room over here?
Conference room maybe, or office, just cubicle kind of thing, more private.
Very nice.
These guys also more office cubicles, doing sort of, if we have customer support people, trying to be quiet and on the phone and stuff a lot, or just want quiet
a little
space.
More privacy.
Yeah, more privacy.
Absolutely. Very good.
And then, basically office is all the way along here. Back there is the lunchroom. We can go there later.
Lunchroom?
Like the lunchroom / media room for you guys if you're doing like workshops and stuff. That might be tentative. We'll see.
I was just going to say, is there a location? We were asked about it at the trade show this weekend.
Mm-hmm.
People are asking if we have a physical location where people can come in and learn how to do stuff. Is that kind of?
So that's tentative.
Yeah.
I think it'd be cool to have, workshops and just like a showroom kind of thing where you can see what a long mill looks like actually set up and not just sort of a
theoretical idea.
Yeah, exactly.
Real life, for sure.
So we do have a room that is kind of a media room. Cool. We'll set up, maybe do live streams from it. Could do. Ooh. I know Kenna might be doing live streams from there as well.
Sweet.
So that's put aside over there.
Are we allowed to check it out?
Sure, yeah. Making sort of do live streams from here, maybe make some setups so that you can show people around, have them do tours, look at stuff.
Yeah. This is fantastic.
Theoretically, we have a storefront maybe. And then we'll put some more sound control and stuff. I think Louis was talking about like lighting control and things too.
Yeah.
Because it's not great for like if we do filming permanently or live streams.
Yeah, but I mean, the darker it is, the less you see my face, so that's not. That's sweet. Very nice.
Yeah.
Cool.
Just close that quickly. Yeah.
And it looks better already. Thank you.
In here we have some more sort of office.
Mechanically, office-y.
It's a bit dingy, but we'll see what we set up. It might be, it might be a good place for like temperature control for 3D printers and stuff.
Yes.
I'm not sure. But yeah, this is sort of a much more private room. It's obviously kind of dingy, setting away from everyone, but maybe some people want that.
Well, it's good for, it'll serve its purpose. It's another room that we can separate off if you need to.
Exactly, yeah.
Cool.
So we're trying to optimize mainly for like production.
Yeah.
Basically, trying to maximize how much throughput we can have. But obviously, you want to make it a nice place also to work in. Now that'll probably be at the back. We got beautiful ramp mic made here.
It's out of cedar too.
Yeah.
Wow.
Went all out.
This is crazy.
So this will be like the main thoroughfare for our.
This is very clearly where we're doing skateboarding.
Yeah, our inventory / skateboarding ramp.
Is this live?
No. Yeah, so this is we have a level loading bay and a truck level ramp. Oh yeah, I'm not sure I think that's for birds maybe. But yeah, we'll have sort of our main rail processing back here, big saw between the two pillars, big cantilever racking on the wall to hold the full length extrusions, and then we'll cut them down for your rails and then clean them, tap them, send them back up to get packaged. So over here, we have a nice exit door. This will probably be our main packing area. So these two guys will be chilling out here, packing your boxes for you. And then on these sort of lines on either side of the pillar, one here and then right over here, there's gonna be racking. So our main racking that we have, our U-line stuff. In between these pillars, we'll probably have hardware packing.
Yep.
Because they're close to power and inventory nearby, so that we'll fill those racks up and then do hardware packing and assembly and stuff. So this wall, I think we'll have on the back wall probably our laser station. So Jen's packing all the laser stuff.
Yep. Is there
and
racking or anything going on there?
there may be some sort of sporadic racks just for inventory stuff, but probably mostly empty. This will probably be some hardware stations as well. Right over like where these black squares are will be gantry and rail cleaning / like measuring and assembly. And we'll be assembling that stuff there, putting it onto the rack next to it. After we sort of use that doorway here to bring heavier stuff through, because that ramp is gonna.
It's not going to be fun to push 2,000.
Yeah, you don't want to push 2,000 pounds up the ramp. Probably get an electric pump truck.
You're going to lay down on this. You're going to take one foot, I'm going to take the other one. We're just going to flip and slide it.
Slip and slide.
Soap.
Yeah, we don't need it.
No, we need soap.
You're slippery enough, bro.
Yeah. And then, as I talked about before, we have our sound deadening panels here we're making so that we can sort of divide the space a bit for the office to be more quiet. It's echoey. You know.
It's not going to be quiet with you. So.
Yeah, these guys here.
It'll be under control.
Yeah.
I need the heart. The other half. There we go. Yeah.
What was I saying?
I don't know. What were you saying?
Well, this is a close off to the first part of the move. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you when it's completely done.
The only thing I'm going to comment on is it's not going to be when it's completely done. This is going to be like an ongoing thing.
Oh,
Yeah, this isn't a one and done. This is like okay. I'm not going to give a timeline to it, but there's definitely going to be more of this.
Okay.
Come on, buddy.
That's been part 1.
You don't have to say how many parts it's going to be. You can just say, follow along on our journey as we move from blah, 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 blah.
Hey there, CNCers.
What do you got? Finish it off.
All right, here we go.
Follow along as we move from previous to permanent, highlights, hijinks, and everything in between. I've got my sign man here, I've got my tech specs, and we've got the silent duo. Well, half of the silent duo. Stay tuned, check us out, lots more coming.